Well, this is what the dogs are doing today. I'm working my butt off, and they're up underneath the table there. That Jink's bed, the big boy laying in the front right there. That's his bed up top. He likes to sleep above the ground. But today, he's laying down there because I got the fan up there for him. He was sitting here in the chair that I'm sitting in. An old fat girl down there. Fat girl! Fatty! Fatty! I see you wagging your tail. Boo, 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 boo. There go dingy ding. Jingy dingy. What is it? What is it? Somebody messing with them chickens and stuff, huh? You watching? What you see, boy? Watch him. Watch him. Oh, not me. Where you going, boy? Fat girl's supposed to have puppies about a week, probably.